A very warm good morning to one and all. Hope you all are fine. Now I am here with my another video of introduction to HTML. Okay. So in this video we are going to learn about the HTML definition, tags and different type of tags, editors that used to draw the programming. Okay. So for further practical work we will move to our slideshow screen. Okay.
So students, welcome to the tutorial of HTML. In this video we are going to learn about the HTML. Okay, so firstly we have to discuss what exactly HTML is. Here HTML means hypertext markup language. So we will discuss all the terms one by one. H means hyper. Hyper is nothing but it is just like a link or a reference. By clicking on that link or reference, a user can move to the another page or another link. Okay, here T means text. Text is a data or the information, whatever the data or the information that user want to be displayed. Here M means markup. Markup means the predefined set of statements or the instructions. Okay, L means language. Language is the mean of communication through which two persons or the users can communicate with each other. It is used for the communication. So if you need communication, then you may need a language. Okay, now in next slide we will discuss about the HTML in details. So HTML is a scripting language which is used for designing the web page. We can also say HTML is a scripting as well as a markup language that is used for designing the web page. So what a web page is? In the next slide we will discuss about the web pages. Okay, so HTML allows us to create a web page with text, graphics, sound and images or videos. Means a web page also contains sounds, graphics, pictures and images. Okay, it uses markup tags to design the content of web pages. Means HTML is the language that uses the different tags to design the content of a web page. The next is HTML language developed by the Tim Berners-Lee. WWW is the another concept that can also be developed by the Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, now here we will discuss about the web page. So what a web page is? A web page is a single electronic page or it is a single page that are used to describe the information about any particular topic. Means in our previous slide we were discussed that a web page consists of the text, graphics, sound and videos. Okay, so a web page means a page that contains all the information about any single topic. Means if a user search what is a computer or what is HTML, what is HTTP, any term they can search on the computers, then the information or the result that's shown on the page on that page is the page is called the web page. Okay, so the next is website. What a website is? A website is the collection of web pages that describe the information about any particular topic, organization, schools or any company. Means a collection of web pages that contains the whole information about any particular organization or any company. It contains multiple links. Okay, it may or may not contain, you can say. So here you can see the image on the desktop. This is a kind of web page. Okay, here you can see a heading, subheadings, a picture, a link and another number of things. Like this one is the video. So a web page contains the multiple things. Okay, now the next is HTML tag. So what are the tags? Tags are the predefined statements or the instructions. Okay, so it is a markup language as we discussed earlier. HTML is a markup language, so we can use markup tags in HTML. Okay, so markup tags are used to describe the web pages. Means those tags that are used to design the web pages are called the markup tags. Okay, so tags are the special keywords that has its predefined meaning. Means The tag are the words that already defined by its meaning. Means tags are the special keywords that has its predefined meaning that sent to the web browser. Okay. A tag is always enclosed between the angular bracket. Here you can see the example. These both are the angular brackets, and if we want to write a tag, then we can write it between the angular brackets. Okay. Tag describes the structure of a web page. Means if we want to design a web page, then we can write all the things within the tags. Okay. HTML tags are not case sensitive and can be written using by the capital or the small letters, but to make them stand out of the rest of the text, we use the capital letters. Write HTML tag. Means here small p and capital P are the same. Small h and capital H are the same. Means both the uppercase and lowercase letters are the same. It means the HTML tags are not case sensitive, but to make the language more convenient, we use the capital letters in between the tags. Okay. So here HTML tags can be of two types. Number one, container tag, and number second, non-container tags. Okay. So what are container tags? Container tags are also called the non-empty tags. Means the tag that has both opening and closing statement. Okay. Here the closing statement is defined by a slash sign. Look at in the example. Here HTML is the open tag, and here this one is the closing tag, but it is preceded by the slash symbol. Okay. So this is called the closing tag. Here P means paragraph. Here this one is the opening tag of paragraph, and this shows the closing tag of paragraph. Okay. So what are container tags? The tags that have both starting and ending tags. Okay. The next is non-container tags. So non-container tags are also called the empty tags. Basically these tags doesn't require any closing tags. Means these tags have only the opening tag, but it doesn't require to be closed. Okay. The only difference between start and end tag is that in the end tag keyword is preceded by a forward slash, but here in non-container tag it is not required. Okay. So there are some tags. We can also say that there are some tags which do not need the ending tag to draw. Okay. So here HR means the horizontal row. If we want to draw a horizontal line across the document, then we can use the HR tag. The next is BR. BR means the break. If we want to break the line, then we can use the BR tag. Okay. Now the next is nested tags. As the name specifies, nested means a tag within the tag. Means whenever you have HTML tags within other HTML tag. Means whenever you have HTML tags within other HTML tags, you must close the nearest tag first. Means here we first define the H1. H1 means heading tag and I means italic tag. So firstly we have to close the italic tag. Okay. The tag which defines later than that can be closed the earlier. Okay. Means here we define the I tag after the H1. So firstly we have to close the I, and then after we will close the H1 tag. Okay. Thank you.
That's all about today's video. If you have any doubt, any query, then you can ask me or drop a message. Thank you. Have a nice day.